NFTs are the fastest growing sector of blockchain, with top consumer brands and the movie industry jumping on the board with their own NFTs. OpenSea, the #1 NFT marketplace, is also #1 consumer of Ethereum gas fees. It means that NFTs are literally dominating the Ethereum blockchain. Become a part of that fast-growing crypto economy. NFT is the first blockchain technology which is being widely adopted, so do not stay behind and learn how you can become a part of that fast-growing crypto economy. The time to jump on the NFT bandwagon is now, but how can you even do it? As wild as it may sound, the main problem with having an NFT collection for sale is not creating the base art itself. Last 30 days sales of the top NFTs on OpenSea, ranked by secondary sale volume from which passive royalties are calculated. Results are not typical. Not financial advice. Ranking screenshot taken September 26. The main problem with creation of massive NFT art collection. The main problem people have is the technology which is required for both generating a collection of 100% unique pieces and creating its own custom NFT Ethereum app, called a contract. Ask yourself, could you make thousands of art for sale manually? Very unlikely. Even if you could and decide to spend months on manually creating it, how would you ensure that all of the art pieces are 100% unique, and none of them is the same as the other? It is practically impossible to do manually. Agencies are charging an arm and a leg. This is why agencies creating those collections charge an arm and a leg for their service. When we contacted one of those agencies and asked how much it would cost to create a collection consisting of thousands of works with an Ethereum contract for it, the answer we got was that it would cost us 4 to 5 ETH just to start, and then 20% of all the money from our sales, plus 1.5% of our NFTs sent directly to their wallet. And then agencies charge even more. On top of that, we would have to wait in line for over a month. It did not sound affordable to us at all. With the ETH costing $3,000, it would cost us $12,000 to $15,000 just to start, and then, given that we managed to sell out $200,000 more, plus 1.5% of our NFT collection on top. If you think the price they are asking seems insane, you are probably right. Last 30 days sales of the top NFTs on OpenSea, ranked by secondary sale volume from which passive royalties are calculated. Results are not typical. Not financial advice. Ranking screenshot taken September 26. We thought there had to be a better way. Introducing. Very straightforward process. Before we explain exactly what you get after you sign up, let's first dive into the straightforward process of having base art created. If you are an artist or somebody who can draw at least a simple doodle, you can make the art for the first step by yourself. If you are not an artist, but are able to use websites like Fiverr, you can have your base art created without you actually doing anything else but describing how you want the art to be done. NFT CollectionMaker lowers your cost as much as possible. For example, the super cool art collection you saw in the NFT CollectionMaker demo was generated from a base art made by a part-time freelancer hired on. While it will not cost an arm and a leg to hire a freelancer to make your base art, it will not be free either. NFT CollectionMaker was designed in such a way that it will lower your freelancer cost as much as possible, because the graphics designer only needs to create parts of the art, and then software will automatically combine these parts to make the entire art collection. The coolest demo you'll ever see. Consider making your first collection smaller. Just 3,000 art pieces. Also, if you are new to the collectible art business and want to save even more on freelancer work, we suggest making a smaller 3,000 art collection, which requires less base art variations. Let me be clear. If you do not want to spend any money on base art creation, and you are not inclined to make the base art by yourself, the NFT collectible art business is not for you. due to the fact that without a base art, NFT CollectionMaker will not have anything to work with. Go ahead and become a part of new NFT economy. On the other hand, if you feel like what you heard so far makes sense, and you want to go ahead and become a part of that new economy, we will make hiring a freelancer as easy as possible, give you a ready-to-use project template, and the exact info on how the base art must be prepared. Because your base art will be unique, that would translate to your entire collection being completely different from anyone else using the NFT CollectionMaker. NFT CollectionMaker uses advanced TTC AI technology to not only create, but also programmatically verify artwork uniqueness, which is a must for NFT art collection. Host the entire collection of thousands of art images for your NFTs completely for free. After your collection is generated, you need to host those images somewhere, and here again we have the great news for you. We will show you exactly how and where you can host the entire collection of thousands of art images for your NFTs completely for free. Yes, you heard it right. You will pay nothing at all to host those images. You own Ethereum NFT token contract. NFT CollectionMaker app also includes Ethereum NFT token contract you can customize right inside the app. So-called Ethereum NFT token contract is what allows you to turn art images into the NFTs on the blockchain. The things you would need to enter to customize your Ethereum contract are as simple as the names, the description text, link to where images are hosted, and the price. Last 30 days sales of the top NFTs on OpenSea. Ranked by secondary sale volume from which passive royalties are calculated. Results are not typical. Not financial advice. Ranking screenshot taken September 26. Detailed step-by-step tutorial videos. After your names, description, and price are in, all that is left for you to do is to put your contract on the Ethereum blockchain. To do that, you will simply copy-paste your edited contract text into an easy-to-use free web app, set a few settings, click a few buttons, and be officially an NFT art collection owner. We will provide a detailed step-by-step video showing all the steps from copy-paste to clicking the final deploy button. Just copy-paste by button. After your NFT art collection is generated and your NFT contract is put on Ethereum blockchain, your collection is all prepared to be sold, but you still need the ability to actually sell it from your web page. You need to have a web code, which allows people not only to buy your art from your web page, but also instantly mint the art they purchased to the blockchain right after they paid. While normally creating such a code is a complicated step, the NFT CollectionMaker makes it as easy as it gets. Access pass to the secret alpha group. As an NFT CollectionMaker user, all you would need to do is to copy-paste the ready-made code from your account into your web page and you are done. Last but not least, your membership is also an access pass to the secret alpha group where you can not only share your collection, but also discuss with others everything related to NFTs, including hot new trends to jump on, and under-the-radar top NFT drops. The sooner you join the NFT collectible art craze, the sooner good things can happen for you. The crypto art market is projected to keep growing, with consumer brands and movie industry spearheading the mainstream adoption. With Coca-Cola, NBA, Disney, Marvel, and countless other top brands releasing their own NFTs, the mass adoption is right behind the corner, accelerating, and when it hits like a 100-ton truck, you could be very well positioned with a collectible art business already running. Plus, you can forever keep collecting passive royalties from the secondary market sales for every collectible art you sell. It is clear that the sooner you join the NFT collectible art craze, the sooner good things can happen for you. Special limited time early adopters price. We're going to give you instant access to NFT CollectionMaker for a special time limited early adopters price. That means that if you get access today, you are getting both an instant massive savings and grandfathered access. Once an early adopter's special ends, we plan to charge significantly higher prices to cover all the costs related to the heavy computations needed for TTC AI to do its job. TTC AI technology is light years ahead of the competition. NFT CollectionMaker's TTC AI technology is light years ahead of the competition, and all updates are included, so you can always have the latest version. This is why you can be confident that whatever progress happens over time, you will get access to it. Your access will be created immediately and you will find everything waiting for you inside. What people are saying about NFT CollectionMaker. Comments from before official release. Access pass to the secret alpha group. If you see this bonus box, your membership is also an access pass to the secret alpha group where you can not only share your collection, but also discuss with others everything related to NFTs, including hot new trends to jump on, and under the radar top NFT drops. Current launch offer ends in. NFT CollectionMaker is backed by a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Founder's special deal. Explaindio. NFT CollectionMaker. 1 NFT art collection. Create 1 NFT art collection. Up to 7,000 art pieces. Customize and damp. Deploy Ethereum contract. 60% lower gas minting fees. Full 1-year access. Step-by-step training. Fast and damp. Friendly support. Self-generate art as NFTs. Only $47. One-time payment. Add to cart. What people are saying about NFT CollectionMaker. Comments from before official release. NFT CollectionMaker is backed by a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Founder's special deal. Explaindio. NFT CollectionMaker. 1 NFT art collection. Create 1 NFT art collection. Up to 7,000 art pieces. Customize and damp. Deploy Ethereum contract. 60% lower gas minting fees. Full 1-year access. Step-by-step training. Fast and damp. Friendly support. Self-generate art as NFTs. Only $47. One-time payment. Add to cart. Money-back guarantee. Our official 30 days money-back guarantee. We also want to eliminate any stress or hesitation you may feel by taking the risk for you. You will get an entire 30 days to give the software a try. If you give our software and system a try and you decide it's not for you, we'll happily give you all your money back. There is 100% no risk. We're here to support you, and unless we amaze you with our product, we won't keep a penny of your money. If at any point you are unhappy in those 30 days, please contact us. We will quickly send you every penny back. No questions asked.